and this video will show you how to trade Forex on Pocket Option. Of course, to start trading on Pocket Option, you need to top up your balance. Or there is another method you can trade with demo account. To top up balance, you just need to click top up in the top right corner, choose the payment method and deposit money to your account. After that, you can go to trading, and right here we'll find Forex MT5 real account or Forex MT5 demo account. If you're a beginner and want to trade, you can use the Forex MT5 demo account. I'll just show you this example. And from here you can trade on Forex. So this is Australian dollars to Japanese yen. You can click on this and you can trade on currencies, on cryptocurrencies and other things too. For example, you can choose Euro to USD. And right here you can start trading with this demo account. Here is buy order, sell order. You can set the limits, take profit, stop loss, etc. So that's how you can do Forex trading on Pocket Option. This is demo version and you can go to the real account if you deposit money. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.